So guys, if you want to know if your YouTube channel is growing, do you know what to do? You have to check your watch hour. That is how you will know if your YouTube channel is growing, if people are really watching your videos. If people are not watching your videos, sorry to say, oh, your YouTube channel is not really growing. No. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you three things. This now is not much. It's just three things I stopped doing to grow my channel. You know, I have mentioned in this channel several times that I have made mistakes that I learned from. I learned from my mistake. You get. I'm going to be sharing with you three things I stopped doing to grow my YouTube channel. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Number one, the first thing I stopped doing to grow this YouTube channel is I stopped begging people to subscribe to my channel. I keep saying this times without number that YouTubers should stop begging people to subscribe to your channel. How many people you go fit beg? How many people can you plead with? See, well, sometimes I don't really blame people that beg or that beg other people to subscribe because they don't really have the knowledge yet. When they have the knowledge, trust me, a time will come when they will start regretting. Yeah, I wish I know. You get. When I started this channel, I was, in fact, people that I don't know, I was still a copper, then I was serving. People I don't know, I will meet them to subscribe. Some of them will tell me no. You get. Some people will just subscribe, and before I know it, I will see that the number is reducing. I will be like, okay, maybe they are the ones unsubscribing or YouTube is removing them. You get. So don't beg people to subscribe, because when you finish begging them to subscribe, are you still going to beg them to watch your video? Because that is what you need, though. You need people that will watch your video, that will enjoy watching your videos. You need it, seriously. So stop begging people to subscribe. When somebody sees your video on YouTube, the person likes it, the person can subscribe, the person will also support you. You get. You don't need to force somebody to subscribe, because if you force them to subscribe, are you still going to force them to watch your video? You are not going to force them to watch your video. I remember then when I was begging, hey God, I remember one guy, the way I begged this guy just to subscribe. Today I'm not regretting some kind of things I did then, but all good. Thank God for where I am today. I'm so grateful. So guys, that is the first thing I stopped doing, and ever since then my YouTube channel is growing. You get. Though it is not where I want it to be yet, but it is no longer where it is to be. Every day I keep getting subscribers. They are still watching my old videos, they are subscribing, and I'm happy about it. I'm very close to 2,000 subscribers now, and it's a thing of joy. And these people that are subscribing, I don't even know them. They are seeing my videos, they are watching, and they are subscribing. That is it. So secondly, guys, the second thing I stopped doing to grow my YouTube channel was posting shorts the wrong way. I did not just say posting short, I said posting shorts the wrong way. So what I will be doing now is explaining what I mean by the wrong way. Now, I am not among those people that will tell you not to post shorts. Please, don't get me wrong. In case you want to post shorts, post it rightly. Post it in the right way. You get. There's a way you will post your shorts. That short will give you subscribers, and it will give you watch hour on your long form videos. Now, when you post a long form video, you can take like 60 seconds from that video or 30 seconds and post as short. And then when people watch that one, something that is captivating, that will catch their attention, they'll be like, I would love to see the full video of this. So then they will go to your channel and watch the full video. From there, you'll be accumulating watch hour. There's somebody that said on this YouTube that she didn't know that short watch hour does not count. So she was posting short, and the watch hour was, they will be showing your watch hour if you're posting short, but it doesn't count towards the 4,000. It doesn't count towards the 4,000 watch hours. That is where the problem is. So if you are posting shorts, you just know that the watch hour you are getting from those shorts is not going to count towards your 4,000 watch hour. So the reason why you are posting those shorts is for you to direct them to your long form content for them to watch. But in most cases, these people are not really interested in your long form content. That is the bitter truth. So that was one thing I stopped doing, posting shorts the wrong way. I was posting shorts anyhow. When I say anyhow, I mean anyhow. So see, if you are a big YouTuber, you don't have problem. You can, your lifestyle, you can show them, you can do this, you can do that on your shorts, they will watch. But if you are somebody that is growing your YouTube, you have to be careful, because you can at the end of the day get 2,000 subscribers and your views will still be around 10 views, 20 views, 30 views. It happens. So we have to be careful not to harm our YouTube channel. So guys, that is it for the second one. Then for the third thing I stopped doing for me to grow my YouTube channel, I stopped listening to every YouTuber. See, let me explain this one now. You know, on YouTube now we have teachers. When I say teachers, in fact, teachers don't many past YouTubers on YouTube. It's not bad because everybody is trying to survive, to you get. So I don't have an issue with you coming to tell us about YouTube, because I also do that. I come and I share my experience, you get. But the problem I'm having is that these people, some of them are just out there confusing YouTubers. When I was like when I say very small YouTuber, you know what I mean. I was listening to everybody, and it was really confusing. This one will tell you don't niche down, this one will say niche down, this one will tell you don't post short, this one will say post short, this one will tell you don't do this one will tell you don't do that. The one that was really running one period was this one will say if YouTube is not recommending your video, turn it on. You watch this one's video, this one will say turn it on. It's really confusing, and that really affected, because I was at a point I was really confused, like who should I now listen to now, which one should I now put into practice. It was really confusing. It was later I now got to realize that all these people, it's not like they really care about you. Some of them, not all. There are some that really care. They want to see you grow. In as much as they are making money on YouTube, they also want to see you make money on YouTube. But there are some, that thing they did not even experience it, but because they are looking for views, they will just go and do the video and post. You get, because somebody posted that video and the video is doing well for that person, they will just copy. It's not because they really experience something like that. I love people that share something from their own experience, not people that copy and paste. You copy and paste and then you are lucky enough you to push your video and you are happy, you are deceiving people, confusing people. When they now ask you questions, you don't even know how to answer. You get. So that is one thing I also stopped doing. Stop listening to everybody. Ha. So guys, I know if you're a small YouTuber, it's very common for small YouTubers to listen to people they want to grow by force. I know, but you have to be careful. You have to be careful. Some people don't really care. All they care about is how they are going to make that money. They don't really care. They don't care. Seriously. So that's one thing I also stopped doing. I listen to people on YouTube. I listen to people, but I'm very mindful of the kind of people I listen to. You get. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching. We have come to the end of this video. If you have any question for me, you can do what to drop on the comment section. I will respond to it. Thank you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.